Getting all set for the opening bell then this morning. We're looking out for the cues from this. Remember, the Nifty has fallen for a third consecutive day on the trot. IT continues to be the biggest sore point, while metals have been gaining ground for the ninth consecutive session. So let's see whether metals can actually push up higher. What we're actually seeing in the market is, while IT is lagging, pharma is not. So a bit of a diversification when it comes to the defensives, when you're seeing good performance come in from pharma off late. Just marginally higher, skirting around that 17,640 odd level for the Nifty, flat for the Nifty IT index. The Nifty Bank flat there again. I don't think we've seen such a flat and quiet start in many days to come. There's not any movement on just any of the indexes. Let's see then what Tata Motors is up to and whether that stock is getting excited after that JLR capex announcement of 15 billion pounds. Tata Motors is also very, very quiet, just marginally higher, 0.3%, 471 thereabouts is where that stock is. Ultratech as well, the expanding capacity by 2.2 million tons. Brownfield expansion, that is, in the state of Bihar, 1% higher for Ultratech. Oro Pharma, they've got a US FDA nod for one of the pulmonary disease treatment drugs. Mastech has come out with good numbers and definitely away from what we've seen from Infi as well as TCS. So cheering up higher by about 3%. There's Bank of Maharashtra, which has announced a sizable fundraise, which they're going to consider on 24th, along with their numbers, 7,500 odd crore rupees. That's another stock which is in focus. But weak numbers from Tata, weak numbers from ICICI Securities as well. So both those stocks actually should be lower. Let's see what the big buzzers from yesterday are up to, because yesterday turned out to be a good session for some of these OMCs for sure. Both HP, BP held out very smartly. Sugar, of course, has been in a very sweet zone. Yesterday was no different. You had Balrampur Chini hold out by about 2.5%. And I'm only picking up Balrampur because that's the most actively traded one and within the F&O gamut. But yeah, TVS Motors, BPCL, Jindal Steel, these were all some of the active performers in trade yesterday. Today too, actually, pretty much that trend is continuing. But for the index, it's pretty much a no-go right now. Naresh, hi. Very quickly, what do you make of this absolutely flat start that one is seeing?
So continue to expect same things to continue, wherein we get into a range wherein a dip is a buying opportunity. Apart from that, be stock specific. So nothing really to make out of it, and this is something that should continue for next few sessions as well.
Okay.